Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to repost videos on Instagram on Android. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your Instagram profile and then open that video which you want to repost. And after opening the video, click on this three dot and click on copy link. And now open your browser and search here repost app.com and now paste here the video link, and here it will take some time to finish rendering the video. And when it's finished, click on download, and the video will start to download. Okay, my download has been finished. Now I'm going to repost this video. So I'm going to opening my Instagram again. I'm clicking on this plus icon, and here is the video. I'm selecting this video. Next, and I'm pasting the copied caption here. Share. So this was how we can repost videos on Instagram on Android. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.